Okay, so here's another one of our pallet reviews. So today we just received 26 pallets of footwear. Major Canadian Retailer. So these are the pallets. They're about 5 feet tall, 26 of them. Now these are non-manifested. So when I say that, this is the way they come. Now we do not know sizes or brands or quantities or descriptions, etc. They're just all mixed. But what I can tell you is that there is anywhere between 400 to 800 pair in each pallet. And every pallet is different. Now we have taken pictures of every single pallet and again put them on our website. They are there today. So every pallet has 4 or 5 pictures, descriptions. Now, I got to tell you that these, although we sell everything as returns, but, you know, when we look at these pallets, I mean, it's all shelf pulls. And the reason being is they're just pulling so much inventory off the shelves to make room for essential goods that a lot of the product that's coming back right now, guys, is going to be new goods. That's just the facts. So you can see that they're all different. Now, again, some come in boxes and some do not. Now, most of them are just tied together in pairs. So actually, the good thing about that, here's some that are in different boxes. Now, the good thing about having them come not in boxes is the fact that you're just going to get more pairs in each pallet. So this will give you an idea here. So I've just given you a view of, that's 12 pallets there. And we'll just kind of zoom back here, give you an idea how tall they are. And they come all the way over to here. Here's some more. So I'll give you an idea. We'll another view here. So yeah, like I said, these are on the website. They're $9.95. So having said that, I mean, you could be, you know, $2 a pair. You could be a lot less too. Like if you take a look at this pallet, there's an awful lot of, you know, children's in there. I mean, you could be, geez, I don't know, maybe $1, $1.50, maybe a pair. So, I mean, heck of a good deal. And then, yeah, you can take a look there. So there's anything from athletic to cash to dress. There's the top of the pallets. There's going to be a little bit of winter in there. That's just the nature of the business, okay, guys? So, you know, you can see there's a little bit of winter. Not much, though, actually. There's some right there. But like I said, get to our website, vdccanada.com, and you'll be able to see all the pallets, all the pictures, and you'll be able to purchase them right online. Everything now that we have, all of our pallets are now available online. And the nice thing about that is you can just use the checkout. Credit cards, we take e-transfer, but if you want to pay online, we take all the major credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay. And right now, if you use code VDC at checkout, we're going to give you 10% off, okay? So you're going to save about $100 on these pallets. Okay, that's the pallet reveal today, and we'll check in next time.